Hi, friends! Today I've decided to make a delicious pizza.
With candy?
No. Oh, I have a few pizza bases here, but I need only one pizza. What will I do with the others?
I'll take care of it. I'll put it to good use.
Fine, take it. So, here's our base, and next we need to add this.
Jam? It's mine! Oh, ew! It smells like tomatoes.
Because it's ketchup! Okay, let's squeeze our ketchup out onto the pizza base, like this.
Pizza without candy is nothing but a 0.
You know nothing about pizzas. We need to spread ketchup all over the base. Uh-huh.
There's not enough tomato jam.
Oh, you don't say.
Let me help.
Sam!
Oh yeah, more jam, more.
Sammy, stop. That's enough. Calm down.
I've got the spoon!
Oh, come on!
Now this is my kind of jam. Don't really like the smell, though. But I'd better make sure it soaks really well.
Sammy, do you call this help?
Yep. Candy?
Go now, shoot. Why do I always have to clean up after him? Okay, I think we can continue now. There we go. Our pizza also needs some…
Candy?
Give it a break already!
Oh.
To make a delicious pizza, we'll need some salami. I will place it on our pizza neatly, like this, in a circle.
Looking good. I have to taste it. They say it's something delicious. Grab and pull.
Hey, there was more here!
Eat it yourself.
Come on, Sam, quit it! We will also need some nice cherry tomatoes. Let's cut these little guys for our pizza in half.
They look like candy.
These are tomatoes.
What's the fun in that? Don't cut your fingers off. You'll have a hard time making pizza then.
I'll try.
Have I told you about a candy pizza I once tasted back in Tibidaba?
Sam, get lost. Right, let's lay out our tomatoes like this.
Listen, if they walk like candy and they talk like candy, maybe we'll just replace them with candy?
No candies in pizza. Sam, go away. Stop bothering me.
Ow! What are these?
These are mushrooms.
Mushrooms?
Mushrooms!
Can't we do without them?
We can, but not today. I'll just add a few of them, okay? It looks good, but something is missing. Well, of course, we need some cheese. Wait, where's the grater? I know I've just seen it somewhere. Sam, what are you doing with it?
Well, I wanted to help you. Do you need anything?
I do need the grater, but I'm pretty sure you were looking for candy again, right? Oh, Sammy.
How do you like it?
What's this, Sam?
Well, it's for your candyless pizza. You need to sprinkle it with something.
Well, thank you very much. But I'm going to sprinkle it with cheese.
Cheese? This cheese? Is it the thing that stinks? Yeah, it is.
Oh, what's the matter with you? Don't you like cheese? Anyway, our pizza is ready, and it's time to bake it. Let's put it on the baking tray and place it in the oven for 10 minutes. Just be careful and don't burn yourselves, friends. Oh, what a smell! Okay, Sammy, our pizza is ready. Do you want to give it a try?
I'm not sure. It's candyless and everything.
Check out this cool pizza cutter. Come on, Sammy. Don't you want a slice already?
Nah, that doesn't make it any better.
Oh, suit yourself. And my mouth is already watering. Well, smell it at least.
Oh, cheese.
Oh, I can't eat alone. Maybe we should try to make a candy pizza.
I'm in.
Of course you are.
This thing is so heavy. Okay, here's the jam. Yes. And all the candy I could find.
Great.
I think we got everything we need, Susie. Let's start with the jam. Take it, please.
It smells delicious, I must give it a try.
Hey, put it back! It's for the pizza!
Greedy.
Like that. Spread it well!
I'm spreading.
That's more like it. Well, since it's my pizza, I want to make the second half with chocolate.
Aren't you afraid your teeth will fall out from all that sugar?
Nope. And let me do the spreading this time. Oh, yeah.
Sam, easy. Look at yourself.
You can't create a masterpiece without getting a little messy.
Come on. Let's clean you up. I will help. There you go.
Take it easy, Sue. It tickles. Oh, yeah. I love bathing. I will be clean, clean, clean.
Alrighty, I will finish this for Sam. Again.
What would you do without me?
Okay, let's deal with the gummies. Come on, out you go.
Ooh, I need to grab one. Or two.
Alright. There's enough for both, you and the pizza.
Don't forget these.
I won't. They will go nice with jam, and they are so colorful. Oh, let me fix this a little bit. That's better.
Oh, friends, you haven't forgotten to subscribe, have you? And hit the bell button so you don't miss anything.
Well, Sammy, I think we're done here.
Something missing.
We need to sprinkle it with something. Cheese, maybe?
Are you kidding me? You can't sprinkle such pizza with anything. Oh, wait. Here, that should be perfect.
Well, do you like it?
Oh, my precious, it is awesome. Let's take a photo, Sue.
Sure thing. Just a moment. Hold still.
So, did you get it?
I did.
Wow. Am I handsome or what? Well, pizza looks good, too.
You're right. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Friends, do you like my pizza? Give us a thumbs up if you do. Let's see if this episode gets 20,000 likes. And now, it's time to eat.
Can I try? Just one slice?
Just one. There's barely enough for me.